Well, it's a brand new month, and as always, I'm back with some amazing Android applications that you should definitely try for this month. Guys, this time I will be giving away 80 promo codes of different applications, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And also let's aim for 2000 likes on this video. So drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we have wallpaper app for this month, which is Pixar Wallpaper. I absolutely love the wallpaper collection that it offers. All these are handmade exclusive wallpapers that you will not find in other applications. No matter if you have an AMOLED display or a normal IPS panel, these wallpapers will definitely look great on your home screen. It also has more than 15 categories of wallpapers such as AMOLED, minimalistic, texture, gradient, landscape, nature and more. Overall, I feel the collection is really exclusive and you should definitely try it out. Guys, I do have 30 promo codes that the developer was kind enough to share with me, and if you want one, all you have to do is just follow me on Instagram and send me a DM. I will get back to you. It's a first come first serve basis. Next up we have Shortcut Maker. It's a simple yet useful app which helps you to create shortcuts for almost everything on your smartphone. All you have to do is just open the app and then you can easily create a shortcut for everything that you have on your phone, such as apps, contacts, folders, settings, websites and more. You can simply select for which you want to have a shortcut and press create shortcut. Once you go back to your home screen, you will have the icon that you have just created. Well, if you ask me, I will suggest you to create shortcuts for your settings activity so that you can easily reach for what you want just by pressing the shortcut icon instead of going throughout your settings menu every time. Next up, we have Sugar Cubes for KWGT. As the name suggests, it's one of the KWGT pack that we use to customize our home screen. This one has got a lot of unique, colorful, good-looking widgets to put on your home screen. But what makes it unique is, it also offers the latest iOS 14 widgets for your Android device. So in case if you want to have iOS look on your Android smartphone, then this pack is definitely going to help you out. Currently this app is paid, but the developer was kind enough to provide me with 20 promo codes for all of you guys. If you really want to grab one for yourself, then you guys know what you have to do. Just follow me on Instagram and send me a DM. Make sure you tell the name of the app as well. That's it. Alright guys, next up we have Material Launcher. I usually don't feature any launcher in my best apps video, but the reason why this one is here is because it's a lightweight, clean and customizable launcher. I really like this, which makes your home screen looks unique and beautiful. You can customize it by changing the icon pack, theme, card size and more. Apart from this, if you swipe left, you get the card list, which includes your calendar, favorite apps and Google Feed as well. By swiping right, you get your app drawer, which has all your apps. Guys, it's a new launcher. Definitely there are some bugs and issues, but I am sure developer will fix it in the future update. Make sure you try out this launcher. It is very clean and a beautiful launcher. Next app in the list is the Typewise keyboard. This is an app that aims to enhance and modernize your keyboard experience on Android. Basically, it brings a brand new keyboard layout with big keys that's specifically designed for smartphones. This keyboard has a lot of gestures for typing in capitals, deleting text, undo, delete and more. Not only this, it also supports different languages, which includes the recently added English for Indian users. Well, I know there is a learning curve and it definitely takes a lot of time to master this keyboard, but it is super effective and the developer claims 80% less typos thanks to the bigger keys and the hexagon layout. Also, the pro version of this app unlocks a lot of cool features, and for this I have 30 promo codes which gives you the lifetime access to the pro version. Guys, I will be sharing the promo code of this app on my Telegram channel, so if you haven't already, just join our Telegram channel and I will share this later today. So do keep an eye on my upcoming post in Telegram. Next up we have Smash. Smash is an online file transfer app which is very clean, simple and easy to use application where you just need to tap on this button, select your file that you want to transfer, then your file gets uploaded and now you have a URL which you can share with anyone that you want. Well, you don't have to register for using this app. Your data is fully encrypted And there is absolutely no file size limit as well. Even the design is very minimal, and the best part is it is totally free to download. Finally, we have panels. This is basically a customizable sidebar which helps you to improve your multitasking experience. With this app, you can quickly access your favorite applications, contacts, shortcuts, websites, and more. Apart from this, you can also customize this side panel based on your preferences. For example, you can change the icon pack, add more rows and columns. You can customize the color and the position of this panel as well. All in all, it's a very useful tool that works fine and it is super cool. Make sure you try it out. So that's pretty much it, guys. These are 7 applications that you must try on your Android device. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.